Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. As you saw in the title, we're unbagging Ipsy for the month of June, and I feel like I'm getting a couple of my subscriptions like hella late into the month, but I'm still excited nonetheless to go ahead and open it up. I also got home from work with no makeup on and threw this little look together, and I am low-key like actually really liking this like super fresh face, blushy, natural look. So let me know, do you want to see a tutorial on this or a little get ready with me? Because this is the quickest makeup look I have ever done, and usually when I do my brows it takes me forever, but I did something a little bit different. So let me know what you think. I mean, obviously it's super basic, but if you want something like that, let me know. So this is of course the base Ipsy bag. It is $12 a month and typically comes with about 5 deluxe sample products, and I'm super excited to get into it. I'm feeling that there's stuff outside of the bag already, but I'm gonna just try to grab the bag first. So the designs have all been super similar, but it's very beachy. It's like little girls on the beach of all different skin tones, hair colors, a lot of differentiation here, which I think is cute. The other side is the same, and the little pull is like aqua. And just so you guys know, I am going to be filming a try on with all of my Ipsy products. I'll film that tomorrow, so in the next few days you'll see a new video trying these products out, as well as all my other Ipsy products that I've gotten for the month of June. Okay, so you see the bag. I'm not going to open that just yet because like I said, I've got some things in here. So first off, we got an Eddie Funkhauser domed blending brush. Now I feel like I should probably know who Eddie Funkhauser is, but I promise you I can't remember for the life of me. But this is like a pretty decent brush. It's a domed blending brush, but it's actually pretty small, and I actually like that. I feel like a lot of my blending brushes are on the bigger side, and sometimes I lack those smaller blending brushes to really get in and do some like detailed blending, you know, just blend one color out in a certain section, something like that. And it feels really nice. This feels like a good quality brush. It's not heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap either. Like sometimes you can feel like the nice weight of a brush makes you feel like, ooh, it's luxurious or it's expensive, and then sometimes you feel a brush that is so lightweight you're like, what's going on here? This is kind of like in between, but very sleek black brushes. Kind of reminds me of normal like Wayne Goss brushes, just like the, you know, sleekness of it, and the black as well. So definitely going to try this out. I feel like it'll be a really nice size to blend with, so yeah, I'm excited to use that one. Now I've got two sheet masks, but they're both from Hanalei, so I think this is probably a duo. But we have a pineapple face mask and a pear face mask. So let me give you guys a look at these. They look really cool. I love how it's got like the real pineapple look, and oh, it looks like a real pear too. Literally looks like they took a picture of the fruit and put it on the packaging. It says the pear is moisturizing and the pineapple is brightening. Pineapple naturally has enzymes that brighten the skin, and I think they gently exfoliate as well. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I have a Hanalei, I don't know if it's lip balm, lip scrub, or maybe I have both and I just don't remember, but I actually really like their lip products that I've tried so far. So yeah, I'm keen to give these a try. I love pineapple anything. I could literally drink like pineapple juice every single day. I love it so much, and pear is like a very underrated fruit too. I want some pear. Right now I'm on keto and I'm craving fruit. Everything I'm craving is fruit. I don't know why, but yeah, I can't wait for fruit. Okay, back to the bag. So let's go ahead and open up the bag and see what else we got. Yes! Okay, so I got a Oprah highlighter. Hello. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is Oprah and Talia Mar. I've heard that name, but I don't believe I'm like super familiar with her. But look at that color though. It looks like an icy pink maybe. Not really icy, but I don't know, kind of. Wow. It's like not like Pillow Talk though. It's more like a silvery pink, where like Pillow Talk is almost like white pink but still like very reflective. This looks like silvery pink. It looks really pretty. I actually don't have any highlight on, which is funny because I'm talking about how much I love this look, but it looks a little bit more dewy. So I'm just gonna break up my rule and the way that lays on the dewy skin that I have right now. I used some really affordable products on my makeup today. I have on a lot of drugstore right now actually, and the way that it just lays so nicely, whoa. That That is so pretty. Okay, whew. I couldn't wait for that one. This is so gorgeous though. I love it. It's like, I don't know, it's a little bit better than icy, because sometimes I feel like icy can look a little bit much, especially on deeper skin tones, but this has like a little something extra to it. It's definitely got like that super reflective shine. It's so pretty. And you could tame this a little bit too if you weren't so crazy about it being so blinding. Like you could definitely pat it in, manipulate it a little bit more, but I love the way that it looks. I'm over here having like, you know, fresh face summer makeup, like I'm ready for the sun, and it's about to like downpour. So sorry if it's noisy. We've got a couple products left. So first up, I got something from First Aid Beauty, the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. This is oil free and has fig extract in it. So this is what that looks like. You know what? I haven't tried this one. I typically do not go for more mattifying primers. I stick with more hydrating ones or pore filling, which usually are not that mattifying. This is like more of a thin consistency, and it definitely took down the shine on my hand there. Ooh, it smells good. Why does that smell so good? That smells nice though. So I guess if you have oilier skin, this could be a really good option. I'm definitely going to try this in my T-zone though, especially like now in the summertime. I do get somewhat oily in certain areas, so I feel like maybe a little forehead, chin, and nose would be a good way to try this out. So of course you guys will be seeing it in my video of try-ons. The last thing is from Sure Medic Azaline Soothing Cream. Oh, it's actually, that's funny because it says neogenderma.com is the website. Like Neogen, if you ever used any of their products, they had those like exfoliating pads that were lemon. I think they had green tea. I was obsessed with their products for a little while, and then they kind of just like fell out of Sephora for some reason. It's a skin relief soothing cream enriched with a calming ingredient, guaiacylene, which helps protect skin and reinforce the skin barrier. Well, that one's sealed up, so I'm not gonna mess with that right now, but I'll definitely try it and of course let you guys know what my thoughts are. So just to recap what we got in our little bag, we got our little beach lady bag with the yellow, which is super summery and fun. We got our matte primer from First Aid Beauty. We got the soothing cream, which you guys just saw. We got an Oprah highlight, which I love getting these because even though it's not in the like big square packaging, I feel like this is a full-size product and a win all the way. Like I'll never complain about getting an Oprah highlight. We got the Eddie Funkhauser domed blending brush, and then finally we got the 2 sheet masks from Hanalei. So I feel like this is actually a really good bag. I'm excited for really everything, but most importantly the highlight number 1. Definitely excited for the sheet mask, and the brush seems like it's going to be really nice as well. But honestly, I can say I'm really stoked to try everything out. So I have all 3 bags ready to go for tomorrow because I'm going to be trying all of these products out. I've got so many fun products to try, so I'm super excited. If you're interested in seeing that video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. That way you'll know later on this week when I upload the video. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. It means the world to me that you guys check out my channel and take the time to watch any of my videos. Literally, it makes me so happy. So thank you so much. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this bag. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag for the month of June. I'm always really curious what you guys get as well because it can be so different. But I love when you guys are like, I got the same thing as you, or I got 1 or 2 products the same. I don't know. I just like hearing from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.